Alright, this is going to happen sometimes. Um, First, I need to reset the stage. Now, when you first get your material in here and you add your map, you will not have retargeted, so you won't need to reset the stage. Let's just say I did that. Um, the skeleton doesn't require an animation itself, just the bones. And this particular set has an animation on the skeleton, not just the bones, and it's not useful for anything. And if somebody the used the animation on the bone, on the rig itself rather, to move it around, that was a mistake. We need to clean that off first. Otherwise, some strange things are going to happen, and I'll example that here. I scale the rig, and then it goes back down because of the animation that's on the rig. I can rotate this, and it'll just pop back where it thinks it belongs. We don't we don't want that. All right. So let me just put that back in there, and I'm gonna reset the stage again. In clean motion, Bento Buddy has a tool to remove the object animation as well as some other things that you don't need right now. And remove the object animation, and that's it. Now when I scale this thing, it will not revert back where it belongs. Um, you'll notice also that we have a root here, which may not cause any problems, but I'm going to remove it anyway. But this is how you do it right. Parent, uh, clear parent, and keep the transforms. Now the root is no longer useful. I'm going to delete that. Now we know what we're dealing with. So I can retarget my motion. Let's bring this up to 60 right now. Yeah, that was at 6. And action. Everything should work out fine. But it's not going to be right in Second Life. So we need a reference. Let's get a reference. We'll go recreation, add a safe rig. I'll pull that back a little bit. And all I will need to do is scale the rig really. I'm going to shift click the other rig, isolate the two, get a front view here, and make sure that my source, animation source pelvis, is lined up with the Second Life pelvis, which is right there. And I'll show you they're displaced ever so slightly. There we go. And that's usually where you want to go. Now I can delete the reference, get out of isolation, and then we go action again, retarget, and you should be all set with your animation in Second Life.